Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about binomial. So the question is from RCQ Philippines. So now I will show you the technique. Determine the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 1 plus 2x to the power of 1 over 2. So now I will show you the answer. The formula of binomial series in this situation, we put about a plus b to the power of n. So a, that should be about number 1, and b, that should be about 2x, and 1 over 2, that should be about n. The question they asked, we need to find the coefficient of x squared. So in this situation, we need to concentrate about this one in here. So we put 1 over 2, that's about n, and we have 1 over 2 minus 1 multiply with 1 multiply with number 2 in here. A, that's about number 1 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 2, and we have b is about 2x, and we have number 2 in here, and now we can find the coefficient in here. That should be about negative 1 over 2 x squared. The answer is about negative 1 over 2. That's the end. Thank you for watching.